This problem also occurs with the latest Samsung phones. As you can see, I got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If I press the power button on this phone, it won't respond. So basically, the phone is dead. If I plug in the charger, it won't show anything on the screen, nothing is coming. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get it fixed in less than a minute. So you can do this on any Samsung phone, any model. Let's go. Alright, first of all, what you need to do, just plug in the charger. Even if you don't see anything coming up on the screen, just, plug in the charger, put it on the table and leave it like that for at least 30 to 45 minutes, okay? So just don't worry about it. Just go drink coffee and come back in 45 minutes. When you come back, you're gonna do this. So just unplug the charger and now you're gonna press and hold the power button and volume up at the same time for at least 15 seconds, okay? Press and hold power button, volume up for around 15 seconds. Just keep holding down the power button and volume up for around 15 seconds. If you don't see anything coming up, just release both buttons and now you're gonna press and hold the power button and volume down, okay? Instead of volume up, press now volume down with the power button for around 15 seconds. Let's do it. If you see the Samsung Galaxy logo, you can release both buttons and your phone will be good to go, ready to use it. If for some reason your phone still won't come on, try this. You're gonna plug in the charger and you're gonna try again the whole process. So you're gonna press and hold the power button and volume up at the same time, this time with the, the charger connected to your phone. So try that, press and hold the power button, volume up at the same time for 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, now you're gonna press and hold the power button and volume down at the same time for 15 seconds. Now, why do phones get into this issue? So this happens when you don't use the original charger. It also happens when you use chargers that are not good quality. Also when you use your phone battery until it dies. It also happens when the phone is updating the software and you turn it off without being done. So it can damage your phone forever. Be careful. Treat your phone as a baby. They are expensive. I hope this video helped you out. This is the method that I use when I got phones with this issue and it always worked for me. So let me know in the comment section if this video helped you out. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.